Everything you see in this video, I bought from Echo Park Paper Company, and I absolutely love them. So let me go over everything that I bought. Now, this is a set of stamps that I bought from Echo Park Paper Company, and I bought them on sale for only $5. And I love how it's like get well soon, happy birthday, and a bunch of sentiments to use for all throughout the year, not just seasonal. I bought this as well for only around $5. Hello, hugs and kisses, thanks, get well soon, from and to. This is one of the main reasons I bought this stamp set, is because it had the from and the to, and that could be really helpful for gift card holders, money holders, and other different types of gifts. And this happy birthday one. And these two, they're fall stamps, but I bought these, let me zoom in a little bit, from their warehouse sale. Like at the time of this video, Echo Park Paper Company is running a warehouse sale where you can get these items at a great discount. So I got this fall set of stamps for only $3. Now, it's very hard to find stamps for $3, so I had to buy them, and I think they're really cute. And I bought this as well as part of their warehouse sale for only $3. I also bought this cute 6x6 paper pad during their warehouse sale. I absolutely love their paper pads because they come double-sided and they come with cut-aparts. So that helps a lot when you're making different paper craft projects. And I tend to use 6x6 paper pads mostly for card making, but sometimes I use them to put together 6x6 mini albums or 5x5 albums and other paper crafts that would fit within the 6x6 dimensions. So I thought this was really cute. This one also I bought during the warehouse sale, and each one of these that I bought, it was only like around $4. So I do recommend to shop Echo Park Paper Company when they're having their warehouse sale, because you'll get supplies like this for really cheap. And the quality is really great too, especially when you get these on sale. The quality is really, really great. And I cannot wait to use these. I think these papers are so cute. And they do make this in a 12x12 collection. Okay. And this Sun-Kissed collection is also from Echo Park Paper Company. And I got this during their $5 collection kit sale. So I recommend signing up for their email list because you'll be notified when they have their $5 collection kit sale and when they have their warehouse sale. And I cannot wait to make paper crafts with this. As you can see, it comes with like a sticker sheet and it comes with 3 pages of cut-aparts or journaling cards, and it is double-sided. And what I like about these collection kits is that it comes with the pattern paper, the cut-aparts, and the sticker sheet. So you don't have to buy it all separate like with some other brand. And you get it all for $5. So, like, I'm going to take one of these sheets out. Now, this sheet, it's so pretty. Sometimes you can come across a sheet of pattern paper and you're like, wow, that's too pretty to cut into. And right here on the back, it has all of these 3x4 cut-aparts. And you can use these for a variety of different things. You can use these for card fronts. You can use these for mini albums. I have made a 3x4 mini album, and I have used my spring cut-aparts in that mini album. So you can make mini albums with these. And there's just a lot of creative things you can do with these. You can use these in junk journals because you have space right here to write, space right here to write, right here. So I absolutely love this. and I cannot wait to dive into this and start using it. And for me, I'll put this in there later. I don't want to take all my time on camera doing that. And for me, what I have been really getting into is using my 12 by 12 pattern paper for one sheet wonder projects. So whether it's one sheet wonder card making projects, or it's one sheet wonder folios, or one sheet wonder junk journal projects. So that's really where I have been using my 12 by 12 pattern paper mostly. Like if you have a lot of pattern paper, like 12 by 12, I do recommend doing one sheet wonder folio and junk journal projects, because those projects will knock it out really fast. So I cannot wait to dive into this. And this is the sticker sheet on the back, and this will be really great for card making. Really great for card making. So, or a summer mini album. Okay, now this one I also got as part of the $5 collection kit sale. It is Here, There, and Everywhere collection. And this one comes with one sticker sheet and 2 sheets of cut aparts. Now, with the collection kits, some collection kits include more pattern paper than others. Like some collection kits will include more cut aparts than pattern paper. Like with this one, it includes 3 sheets of cut aparts. And I have gotten collection kits where it's more pattern paper than cut aparts, and this is one of them. So you do want to be careful with that. You know, if you want more pattern paper than cut aparts, you want to make sure that you look at the front to make sure how many sheets of cut aparts is included. And I love this sticker sheet because it includes all different kinds of things. It includes the flags right there. So if you have a planner or things like that, you can use the flags there. And it has these right here that'll be perfect for card sentiments. And I'm going to take out one of the sheets so you can see. Like this sheet right here, it is absolutely pretty. I love this daisy sheet, and I love the blue on the back, my favorite color. And what I like about the Echo Park collection kits is that at the bottom, it includes a strip of the pattern paper that's on the back. So you can always cut that out and use it. And it includes like the phrase or saying or theme of the collection kit. So you can cut that out and save it. So I usually do that. So, and another thing too, is that with the collection kits, some collection kits, the pattern paper is thicker than others. Like this pattern paper has the like texture of like 12 by 12, like 250, 80-pound cardstock. Like it's thicker. Whereas with this pattern paper, it's like it has a thinner weight and GSM. So it's smoother, and you could tell the weight is different than this one. This one, you know, the texture is different. The weight is heavier. This one, smoother texture, and the weight is lighter. So there's that as well. So, and let me show you one of the sheets of the cut aparts. Now we'll look at this one. And I've already cut out one of my cut aparts from here. And what I like about this one is it has all the different sizes on one sheet. Like these ones, I have quite a bit of these large cut aparts. So with these, what you can even do with them is use them as like miniature like pictures, like put them in like a frame and use them as pictures. And then it has the smaller squares right here. So I look at this one has a collection of different sizes. So, and then this is the pattern paper on the back. So I cannot wait to use these collection kits from Echo Park Paper Company. So I'm like a huge fan. So whenever they have their collection kit sale And whenever they have their warehouse sales, I usually try to buy at least some of the items. Um, so that is it for my summer Echo Park Paper Company paper craft haul. So let me know what you think of these collections and items I've shown you in the comments below. And like, what pattern papers have you bought for the summer? What have you bought for your paper stash? Or if you're skipping all that and you're like, no, I'm good to go for the summer, let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you next time.